I wanted to print some decorations for Halloween, starting with a Jack Skellington pumpkin head candle made of glow-in-the-dark filament. And there it happened. The extruder stopped extruding. I decided to try to finish the print as it was almost done. First I tried to measure the height of the print with 2 rulers, but that didn't work due to the small surface of the last layer printed. Next I positioned the nozzle on the print to get the height. Be careful when doing so and move the Z axis last so that the print does not snap off due to collision with the print head. Once done, I could read the height of the print from the printer's controller. Now I knew the height of the print and I opened the G-code file with the text editor. I searched for the 68 cm Z value in the comment section. Searching for the correlating G-code command would be possible too, and I think it depends on the slicer used what to look for. After finding the layer +1, in this case 68.2 cm as measured, plus one layer which was 0.16, so 68.36 cm, I deleted all layers in between. Be sure to add the Z value in the first G1 command so that the toolhead starts printing right on top of the existing print and does not crash into it. If the printer does an initial extruding like a line on the edge of the bed, delete that section too. Before printing, check the G-code in the viewer, here in Octoprint, that everything is alright and no crash will happen. First, everything looked okay, but then the print went spaghetti. I tried it again with one layer lower, but the same happened. The filament did not stick to the small surface in the right side and the print came loose. After this, my only chance was to simply print the failed top part of the original model and glue it on the pumpkin head. For this I switched to Orca Slicer and I used the function to cut the STL file at the layer that failed. After positioning the part on the bed, it printed perfectly. I used Craftbot's instant adhesive 3D printing glue, which is my favorite glue for 3D prints. I'll link it in the description below if you're interested. Finally the model was done and I could decorate our toxic waste Halloween bar for some nice UV glowing toxic gin tonics. Happy Halloween!